Yeah, hello, my name is Robert Stabrey. I'm the global product manager for IBC in Greif since 1.5 years, and I'm taking care about the products, IBC and plants. The GCube is a composite IBC, and a composite IBC is an industrial packaging. It has two parts. It's a steel cage and surrounding a plastic inner receptacle made of HDPE, and it's for transporting dangerous goods, foodstuffs, all kinds of liquids. The IBC was invented in the 1970s. The two big advantages are I have 1,000 liters inside, or even in the US 1,250 liters. A steel drum contains only 220 liters or 210. So you can have 5 steel drums, the liquid of 5 steel drums to fill good inside one IBC and drain it in one process. You don't have to use any drum pumps to get it out. You just open the bottom valve and empty it. And the second thing is the storage space. You save storage space by 20% because it's a rectangular container. It's like sugar cubes you can stack onto each other. You don't lose any space, or not much space. The steel drums, they are round, and you lose always space when you put 4 drums on a pallet. The GCube Flex is also composite IBC. It has also a steel cage. It has also a pallet, but the inliner, or the inner receptacle, is made of 2 different inliners. One is a polypropylene woven bag, is an FIBC that is protecting the inliner inside. And that is made of LDPE material, which can have also an EVOH barrier inside and which is flexible as well. The idea was to have an FIBC, which is normally for solid fill goods, can be for granulate or for powder. The idea is that an IBC is constructed which combines the advantages of a composite IBC, being a container behind a steel grid, and an FIBC for liquids. And that is the idea, to make the GCube Flex and combine it with other properties, characters such as aseptic surface, EVOH barrier, or ultra-high stress breaking materials. Yeah, it is an innovation because a normal rigid IBC with a rigid inner receptacle is not aseptic. That is the point here. So the valuable foodstuffs need an aseptic surface, because the foodstuffs are not stabilized with biocides or something, and the customers want to be sure that these foodstuffs arrive at the end customer in a very good state, that they can use it. Aseptic means that is irradiated with gamma rays. So important is that anything what could harm the product in terms of bacteria, in terms of yeast, is more or less out and cannot harm the fill good. And normal rigid IBC are not gamma irradiated, but these Flex IBC inliners are. GCube Flex is bought by companies which are filling and shipping in very valuable liquids. So high-end foodstuffs, can be cosmetics, can be pharmaceuticals, can be also some greases, sauces, mayonnaise, very valuable foodstuffs for the utmost care of transport. And important is that Greif takes innovation and brings it to the customer and asks customers how we can do innovation and develop our products to a better state and usage. So GCube Flex will be a global product, should be produced in all Greif IBC sites around the globe. I thank you very much and wish you all the best, and let's hope for the GCube Flex in the future together.